Over the last 1 week, Bitcoin's moves have been very indecisive. This has led to a lot of confusion among the traders whether they should be longing or whether they should be shorting Bitcoin. In today's video, we are going to take a closer look at one of the patterns that is playing out on the Bitcoin chart and how this could lead to a decisive move for Bitcoin, either up or down. So stay tuned to today's video and find out about that pattern and also find out about what is the weekly chart indicating.
Subscribe to watch more videos like this.
Hello friends, my name is Soham and I welcome you to Crypto Bulls Club, your one-stop destination for all the technical analysis and news from the world of cryptocurrencies. If you're new, make sure you hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon. This will notify you with all the new videos that we release, and we release new videos every day. Also, if you'd like to discuss about Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrencies, head over to Telegram and join our family there. The link is given in the description below as well as in the pinned comments. So let's jump on to today's video. So we are currently on the Bitcoin US dollar 4-hourly chart, and this is a triangle pattern which has been forming on the Bitcoin chart ever since 18th or 19th of May. So in this triangle, there are two very important things that we need to note. First, we are continuously making higher lows, which is a very good sign. Also, we are continuously making lower highs. So basically this, you can refer to this as a triangle, or this could be referred to as a pennant. Now, if this is the pennant, we have some things to worry about, okay? Because we are coming from a downward pattern, and if a pennant is getting formed in the downward pattern, then we know that pennants lead to an outburst either to the upside or to the downside, because there is a pressure cooker kind of a scenario which gets filled in the middle. So here we can see we are continuously making lower highs and higher lows, so there's a lot of pressure that is getting formed in this zone. This would ultimately lead to a breakout. But what could be our price targets for the breakout? Before coming to that, we also found a Elliott triangle pattern wave getting formed here as well, as we can see right here. Okay, this was the first wave, second wave, third wave, fourth wave, and the fifth wave. It is generally after the fifth wave that we have a burst out either to the upside or to the downside. Now, if you have been following us on Twitter, we posted this about a couple of days back on Twitter itself. So if you haven't been following us on Twitter, please make sure you do that. The link is given in the description below, and our premium members have actually benefited from this pattern that is getting formed on the Bitcoin chart. So whenever it hits the roof, we were shorting Bitcoin, and whenever it was hitting the low, we were longing Bitcoin. So if you want to join our premium list, you can also DM me directly on Telegram. The link is there in the description below. Coming back to the charts, so what could be our price target either to the upside or to the downside? Let's take a quick look on that. For the price target, we will measure the height of the triangle. So let us quickly do that. So this is the height of the triangle. If we place it on top, mind you, this is a speculation that we are doing because we do not know when this will be breaking out. Whenever this breaks out, you can do this thing on your charts. You can measure the height and you can place it on top of the point where the breakout has happened. Now, if the breakout happens, let's say on the 1st of June, when the Bitcoin price could be at around $38,000, then our price target to the upside is at around $51,000. $50,950 to be precise. If this breaks to the downside on the similar date, then what could be our price target? Our price target to the downside will be around $22,250. So you need to be mindful and take your decisions very wisely. If you have any doubts about your trades, then head over to Telegram, join our Telegram channel. It's completely free of cost. Either me or someone from the community would definitely help you out over there. Also, we had a weekly closure on the Bitcoin USD chart today morning, and we printed a inverse hammer pattern on the weekly chart. What does that mean? We'll come to that at a later point, but first we wanted to take a quick look at the similarities between the 2013 first peak and this peak that we had. So what we have done is we have taken the bar patterns from the 2013 and we have placed it on top of these bar patterns that we have currently. So the highest bar pattern is placed right on top of the week wherein we made our high, that was on the week of 12th of April. Now, one very interesting thing that has been playing out ever since is we are following 2013 bar by bar. What do I mean by bar by bar? Whenever there was a red bar in 2013, we got a red bar right here, and whenever there was a green bar in 2013, we got a green bar here. Mind you, this is very dubious speculation that we are doing. This is just for the sake of managing the similarities between 2013 and the current market cycle. So we are currently on the 7th week from the market cycle top. As we can see, the market cycle top was on 12th of April and in the week of 12th of April, and we are currently in the week starting 31st of May. So what happened in the 7th week in 2013? Let's take a quick look there. So we are on the 2013 chart right now, and on the 2013 chart on the 7th week, so the 7th week was on 27th May 2013. That was the week starting the 7th week. So the 7th week was actually a red candle week, and we had 3 subsequent red candles after that as well. So if 2013 is any indication and if we are to match it, then I presume that this week would be a red candle for Bitcoin. So you need to do your trades accordingly. Again, I am saying this is very dubious speculation that we are doing. So this might break out at any point of time because there is no chance that history will repeat itself in the exact same manner. Okay, so that chance is very, very less. Now, I started off by telling you that we formed a inverse hammer candle on the last week chart. Okay, the last week we formed a inverse hammer candle. Now what is an inverse hammer candle? Let's first understand that. So an inverse hammer candle is one which has a very long upper wick and a very short or no lower wick. So as we can see right here, okay, and also the upper wick has to be at least 2 times of the body of the candle. So the body of the candle, where do we see it? This candle opened at 34,737 and closed at about 35,676. So that is about $900 or so. Now what was the height of the candle? How do we know that? We will measure the closure from the high. So the closure was at around 35,676 and the high we made was at around 40,878. So that was around $4,000. So our body is around $900 and the top of the candle is at around $4,000. So we have filled the first criteria, which says that the wick has to be minimum 2x of the body. So that is getting filled. Now what does this candle mean? In a typical market scenario, what it actually means is this marks the end of a downward pattern, or this candle is known as a trend reversal pattern. What do I mean by a trend reversal? If we are in a downward trend, that is the price are coming down over the past few weeks, then this candle actually marks the point when the price starts getting up. Okay, this is by textbook what a inverse hammer candle means. Now, do I feel personally that we are going to see a price reversal? To be honest, from a personal background, I believe we have some more correction due, and I will not be surprised if this candle does not play out as per the textbook. But if this week starts a trend towards the upside, then you should not be surprised because we had this inverse hammer candle indicating the same. So that's pretty much it about today's video. Do let us know how do you feel about the video by commenting down. Give us a thumbs up button if you like the video. Also comment below what are the next coins or what are the next topics that you would like us to cover in our video. So we would love to do that for you. If you have any doubts, head over to Telegram, join our family. It's absolutely free of cost. If you have any doubts, you can always DM me as well directly. I try to clear my DMs within a 24-hour time span. So the link for my Telegram, personal Telegram, is given in the description below as well. Also, make sure you follow us on Twitter because on Twitter we post very interesting charts as well. So we posted a chart about BNB and it broke out. As you can see, this chart was posted on 28th of May. So Thank you so much for watching this video. Do share this video across your family and friends and give them the opportunity to learn more about cryptocurrencies and earn some money from crypto. More importantly, stay blessed, stay happy, take very good care of yourself. Thank you for watching. Bye bye for now.